Welcome back. This week we're going to continue learning about the PERTS model, and we are going to do that this week by learning more about how to develop positive psychological strengths. So this video will discuss how we can continue changing and transforming our mindset in order to improve mental and physical health, as well as identify some skills that can help develop positive psychological strengths. So psychologists and researchers study this notion of mindset through many different lenses. Many are grounded through specific disciplines as well. Our textbook looks at the victim-based mindset and the resiliency-based mindset with this notion or idea of control at its core. Okay, so victim-based mindset focuses on what we cannot control, where resiliency-based mindset focuses more on what we can control. And we can flip back and forth between these two. So if we find ourselves really focusing on aspects of things that we can't control through a challenge, then we're in that victim-based mindset. Where on the flip side, when we're focusing on what we can control, letting go of what we can't control, finding acceptance in that, then we've got that resiliency-based mindset on. The more we practice the resiliency-based mindset, the idea is that we'll live there longer, we'll live there more often than not. But we can go back and forth between the two. So when we look at mindsets, like I mentioned, it's important to remember that mindsets can be changed, especially when they become outdated and they're no longer helpful. Okay, so humans have the ability to change their mindset, and when we do this by practicing skills that can help us focus, create, and cultivate a more resiliency-based mindset. So let's dive a little bit deeper so you can see what I mean by that. So positive psychological strengths can help us do this, and positive psychological strengths are some of the most essential skills studied in positive psychology that can help transform and improve both mental and physical health. So notice cultivating optimism is on there as a first one. And this is an important skill because it allows us to practice both mental flexibility as well as develop positive psychological strength. So you'll see that here again, okay? So in addition to this, we can also practice self-discipline and self-control, which we're going to dive deeper into in our next video. Apply acceptance and commitment to those challenges that we can't control. Things happen in life that are outside of our control. Display qualities of forgiveness and kindness. Practice fostering gratitude. Gratitude's huge. Calming a worrisome and ruminating mind, we're going to talk about as well today or in the next video. And then finding meaning and purpose. This probably sounds familiar to you. We've talked a lot about Frankl this semester, and that's really his focus, is finding meaning in challenging or meaning in suffering. So he's somebody you can turn to if you want to dive deeper into that. And then last, learning and growing from adversity. So now that we have a foundation for what positive psychological strengths mean, let's look at how practicing them can reduce worry. So please watch the next short video.